The renovation has been amazing. Taking it from a space that clearly had needed some work into a space that was designed for the school, for this population, for this age group. It has no wasted space going through the whole thing and has everything we need. 7 stations, stainless steel tables, an entire station for any of the students are in a wheelchair. They can participate just as much. I'm really excited about what the next steps in the kitchen are going to be with that. I love being able to be hands-on and sharing something I'm passionate about. I have students that come in here and they just get going into it and they love what they're doing and they're sharing what they're doing and they're doing something brand new and they have to call their friend over from halfway across class. You gotta try this thing. They are so proud of this food that they want to share it with someone else. And they're learning and they're trying to make what they're doing better. They're taking what they're learning and using it for something practical that I know they're going to carry on. I think also for the community, I want to expand the space into being able to serve things within our community space for other classes, so different kinds of learnings can happen. And I'm curious what other lessons can be learned here before school, after school, and really seeing what that looks like.